welcome or welcome back to my channel. And as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a college dorm room tour. And I am so excited to do a dorm tour because I've never done a room tour ever on my channel. I've been making videos for like 3 years on YouTube and I never showed you guys my room. This is the first time I'm filming a video in my dorm room. Like, the background is different. Let me know if you guys like this background or not. Comment down below. Tell me what you think about it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maya, and I would love it if you hit the subscribe button down below and that little bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. I make college vlogs, videos, and I make videos, what? Also, go ahead and follow me on all of my social media. I post a lot on my Instagram story and my Snapchat story, pretty much about like my daily life here in college. It's a good time so far. Just a little bit about my dorm room before we get into the like room tour and all that good stuff. I live in Douglas House, which is located in West Village. I share the room with my roommate, and we have a bathroom inside our room, which you guys will see. My room like color scheme that my roommate and I decided on was like gray and white, and then she did gray, white, and pink, and I did gray, white, and blue and greenish colors. Like, you'll see little hints of like green, and I still have pink, and yeah, I don't know. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the dorm tour. I'm so excited to show y'all. Oh my god. So, the first thing is, this is the door where you come in, and then this is the door to the bathroom, which is right on the left here. And Pia, she got this like coat rack, so we just have like some like rain jackets. I have my jacket that I wear to the gym hanging on the back of the door. And then I'll show you guys the bathroom. So this is what the bathroom looks like. And yeah, so it's pretty simple. The shower curtain, I got that from Amazon. I got my towels and stuff from Marshall's, I think. And then I put this like little container in the corner, and like I just have like medicine, like random stuff. Yeah, I have like medicine, band-aids, like soap, shower caps, extra face wash. Like, this is like hair stuff and more soaps in there, and then like tampons and pads and stuff down there. And then I just keep my shampoo and conditioner at the top. Body wash that I'm using currently. We have this little like fake plant just for my hair. The room comes with its own shower curtain, but like I got my own shower curtain because yeah, this is just cuter. Okay, and then right next to the bathroom we have this little whiteboard, and my friend Allie, she drew this like spooky SpongeBob because it's October, so spooky season. And yeah, so this is where I hang my keys. Like, literally every day I hang my keys right here. I don't know where my mom got this from, but like it was just in our house, so she like let me use it for my room, and it really comes in handy. So I keep my keys right here. This is Sophia's umbrella. We just have some like party flyers from like the first weekend of school. Just some like little memories, like when we went to go see Predator, we went to the first football game, a picture I took on my Polaroid. So yeah, and sometimes like people like write on the board and stuff. Like, it's just really fun, and I just like this part of our room. And we also have a thermostat, like air condition thing to control the air in the room. My roommate and I, we always keep the room like super cold though. So moving on, we have our sink. So yeah, the sink is located outside of the bathroom, so that's how that works. So this is an overview of the sink. Not much going on here. So yeah, so pretty much I bought this little like triangle organizer thing. I got this from Target, I think. I'm not sure how much it was, but yeah, so pretty much like the bottom part is like shared, I guess. I don't know. The bottom part is mostly Pia's. The only thing that's on here is like my makeup remover that I have right there. But the bottom is like, these are her contact solution, her face wash, and all that stuff. So yep, and then on the top, this is where all my skincare stuff is, because y'all know I do a lot of skincare. So I have like some medicine, lip scrub, Vaseline, tea tree oil, toner, all that stuff. If you guys want me to do a college skincare routine, just let me know down below, and I'd be happy to do that for you guys. And then I just have my toothpaste, hand soap. That's Pia's toothbrush, her toothpaste, and then my toothbrush is in there. And then she got these little containers, these little organizers. I think she got them from Marshall's or TJ Maxx, and this just has Q-tips in it, and this one has cotton pads and stuff. And then there's also these like drawers on the sink, like under the sink, that open. And yeah, so pretty much I just have hair stuff in here, like my edge control, a brush, my scarf, a face scrub, my toothbrush for my edges, and all that stuff. And then under the sink, I'll just show you guys really quickly. Yeah, it's nothing much, but there's a lot of storage space, but we mostly just have cleaning supplies, towels, yeah, bags for our trash, like little plastic bags for our trash. So that's pretty much all that's there. Pia, my roommate, she got this full-length mirror. I think she got it from like Home Goods or TJ Maxx, I'm not really sure. So on the right side here is my roommate's dresser, but on the top is like kind of like a shared space. So on the left side here we have some snacks that are out, so like whenever our friends come in the room they can like have some snacks. So we have like some candy, some pretzels, more candy, Cheez-Its, these like chili mangoes that we did not like at all, so anybody can eat those. Like, I really don't like them. So yeah, she also got these 3 baskets, and so this first basket has her stuff in it, and these second 2 baskets are pretty much just shared. So we have some crushed red pepper flakes, some cinnamon, maple syrup. This is like a bowl, and then in this bag there's like green tea, Lipton tea, like Kool-Aid, like there's like all sorts of like drink stuff in there. And then these are like her dishes and like a little water bottle and stuff. So the other side over here, this is where our refrigerator and microwave are, and the refrigerator and microwave came with the room. So in that back corner right there in that Trader Joe's bag, that's where we keep all of our recyclables, and then that's just our trash can. And then on top of the microwave is where we keep all of our cereal. So right now we have some Trader Joe's cereal, some Honey Nut Cheerios, there was Special K in there, and then we have Captain Crunch, some Purell, and an apple, and then we have this cute little sign above our little microwave and fridge. It says, "Be grateful, have faith, think positively, smile often, love freely, dream big." So yeah, we got that from Home Goods, super cute. I'll show you guys what's in our fridge. So we have a Brita filter, which is definitely essential for college. We have Gatorade, almond milk, cranberry juice, water, cookie dough. We love to eat cookie dough. Pia has some like what is that, spicy avocado hummus. We have more milk. She has nectarines, and I have like some fruit and stuff. And then in the fridge, it's pretty empty right now, but I had a lot of food. But in this bag is just like these like little tacos that you can make. They're from Trader Joe's. And then I also have those like little pizzas in the back. Those are also from Trader Joe's. As y'all can tell, I like Trader Joe's, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much our fridge. And then right next to the fridge, I have this like little container, and in this container is where I keep all of my dishes. So yeah, first things first, over here is my closet, and I just have this like gray little Towson hat on the door handle. And yep, so this is what the closet looks like. There is a lot of space in the closet, guys. Like when I say there's a lot of space, like look at this. Like, look. Like, the closet is not even, like, all the way filled with all of these clothes in it. So in that corner, I just have some blankets, and then I have my washcloths and hand towels, and then regular towels, and then in this basket, I have, like, extra snacks and stuff in there. And then I also put some command hooks on the wall right here so I can hang out my purses and bags. And then going down, I got this shoe rack from Target, so I can put all my shoes on it. And it just looks like that. So I have like my Adidas Superstars, my Birkenstocks, these New Balance sneakers that I just got, my Vans, more Vans, Converse, my Hunter boots, and then in the back corner right there, that's where I have my lacrosse stick and my tripod for filming. I have an umbrella. Then this is my laundry hamper. I got this from Marshall's. It's just gray and white. And yeah, in the back I have like lighting stuff for videos and all that good stuff. So a lot of storage space in the closet. Right is where I have my calendar. I got this calendar from my aunt. And yes, this is where I put like all of my due dates and stuff, like all the red, that's like exams and all that good stuff. So yay, college. And then I have this like little whiteboard where I write my homework at the top, and then just some like reminders underneath. I got this little, oh, I just dropped it. Well, okay. This is like a little postcard flyer that I got from doing hot yoga, which was really fun. On to my desk. So I have my little magazine holder. This is where I keep all of my folders, binders, notebooks, all that good stuff for my classes. And then right next to it, I have all of my makeup palettes. If you guys want me to do an in-depth makeup collection for college, just comment down below and I'll show you guys everything that I brought with me. So yeah, I just have my palettes right here. Then I have like my vitamins, my allergy medicine, all that good stuff. All this makeup organizers and stuff, I brought this from home. I already had this in my room at home. So, yep, that's where I keep all my makeup. And I got this cute little, like, container from Target. And I put my brushes in it. And it was $1. Like, I got this from the dollar section. So, don't sleep on the Target dollar section, y'all. It's really good. And, yeah, so here's my mirror. I got this from Marshall's. And then I have my beauty blenders on the bottom. And I have this little lamp that I brought from home. And then I have a stapler on my desk. A picture of me and my friend Hira from graduation. And then I have this little organizer. I put all my pens and pencils on one side and all of my like colored pens, highlighters, markers on this side. Then I have scissors, some highlighters in the middle, and then some sticky notes and such right there. My drawers are really not that exciting. Like I don't have many like office supplies and stuff, but I have like my syllabus, some books, some chargers and stuff right there. And then in this drawer, I just have like notes that I brought from high school. This is like for my softbox light, my headphones, and then the bottom drawer I just have like random stuff. This is pretty much the side where my bed is, and I put my bed at like the highest height so that I can do a lot of storage underneath, which I'll show you guys. But my tapestry, I got that from Amazon. I'll link it down below. Pia, she gave me this like little relaxing like chair backrest thing. I don't know. She gave that to me. But yeah, I just have some decorative pillows on my bed. I got those from Home Goods. And yeah, I don't know. I've been saying Marshalls and Home Goods a lot. Yeah, I don't even know which one it is. It's probably Home Goods. But yeah, so at the top, I strung some like fairy lights at the top. And the way I hung up my tapestry, I used like command hooks. Like I cut 3 holes in the top of it. And then I used command hooks to hang up my tapestry. So that's that. And I have a lot of storage underneath of my bed. Like as you can tell, like I have a sheet that like kind of hangs low. So if you lift it up, this is where like a lot of storage is. So I have these 2 3-drawer bins right here. So in this first bin, this is where I keep like all of my food. So this is like my pantry. So I have some ramen noodles, mac and cheese on the top, and some cookies, some cups. Then I have like all of these snacks in here in the first drawer. And the second drawer I have like my lunchbox, some Ziploc bags and stuff like that. And then I just have like plates, more plastic utensils, napkins, water bottle, more cups, and all that good stuff. Then I have my 70 containers from my aunt, thank you. And then I just have like underwear, bras, and then like pajamas and stuff. And then in that back corner, in that basket, I just have like cleaning supplies. And then that's my power strip with all of my plugs and chargers. And then I have a stool because my bed is really high. I got this gray rug from Home Goods as well. And then this is the last part of the room, and this is my dresser. So I usually keep my phone plugged in and my computer plugged in like right next to my bed. I keep my water bottle by my bed, and then I have like some headphones, a lacrosse ball, my perfume, lotion, my portable charger, my contacts, my glasses, our Beats pill that we like share, and then I have some tissues. We have like a room air freshener that's probably empty by now. My camera, my little flamenco dancer that I got from Spain. And then we have this like little tiger named Doc, which is the same name as our mascot. And this is like her water bottle and stuff. And then on top of my dresser, I put these like little placemats that I got from Target just to like kind of add a little bit of like color and like change it up a little bit. So yeah, and then I'll show you guys what's in my drawers. So there's a lot of space in the drawers. So in this first drawer, I have like my leggings, shorts, Towson t-shirts, and then like workout shirts. So that's pretty much all that I wear to class, honestly. And then in the second drawer, this is like where I have like clothes and tops like for going out and stuff. Clearly not as much as my legging drawer and all that. And then in the bottom drawer, this is just where I keep like pants, jeans, sweatpants, shorts to wear in the room, and all that stuff. So yeah, that's pretty much my room. Alright guys, that is all that I have for you guys today in this video, and if you made it all the way to the end of this video, why don't you go ahead and comment down below this emoji right here. I just love seeing like who watches the full video because, you know, it just like makes me happy to know like you sat through the whole video. But yeah, so that's all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button if you have not done so already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. For 24,